respected audience, a very good afternoon to one and all. First of all, I offer my sincere thanks for representing me as a demands for minority community. Sir, we very humbly want to put forth the following demands on behalf of minorities. We demand for the quick relief of the minorities which are innocent and put behind bars for many years and for their quick disposal of cases. We demand for study center for MPSC and UPSC for minority community. We demand for Muslim representation from Nanded in upper or lower house of assembly. We demand for reservation for civil services. We demand for job placement camp of different companies per year at Nanded by our MP. We demand mini stadium in Old City. We demand for Muslim minority hostel for boys. We demand educational and financial benefits for the poor eligible Muslim students from different institutions. We hope your positive approach on our demands which will bring a great change in the upliftment of our community and which will provide us a golden opportunity to prove our abilities for the betterment and development